Good afternoon, dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are all fine and in good health. Today, girls, we will start a new lesson. So please bring your books. Open your books on page 215. Okay, girls, today we will talk about how to divide tens, hundreds, and thousands. We will start after 1 minute. How are you, girls? Hi, everyone. So please open your books on page 215 to start after 1 minute, waiting the others. Okay, girls, so today we will talk about how we will divide tens, hundreds, and thousands. And how can you divide numbers through thousands by whole numbers to 10? That's mean today we will divide tens and hundreds numbers and thousand numbers. Okay, so let's start with the first example to know how I will divide those numbers. You remember that when we multiply a whole number with tens number or hundred number or a thousand number, what I said, when I multiply like 3 with 20, I told you that to find the answer for this multiplication, you have to multiply 3 with 2 in the tens number. So you have to multiply 3 with 2. The answer is what? I will write the answer here. The answer is 6, right? And I have to put 1 0 next to the answer. So the final answer will be 60. Okay? 60, girls, not 600. Okay? Because I have only 1 0 next to the tens number, so I have to multiply between the numbers and forget the 0. Then I will put the zeros in the answer. Okay, this is how we will multiply a whole number with tens number. I will use the same strategy in division. That's mean if I want to divide tens number or hundred number by a whole number, which is 4, like this example, 120 divided 4. What is the answer? How I will divide? Okay, the easiest strategy is what? Is to forget the 0 and divide the number on 4. That's mean I will divide what? 12. 12 what? Because I have here 12 tens, right? I have 12 tens. And I will divide this 12 tens on or by 4. How I will know the answer? Okay, when I want to find the answer for the division, I have to think about the multiplication table. That's mean what is the number that I will multiply to with 4? The answer will be 12. I have to think about multiplication table. Okay, so what is the number that I will multiply to with 4? The answer will be 12. If you think about multiplication table, the number is 3. Very good. The number is 3. So that's mean 12 tenths divided 4 equals 12 divided 4 equals 3 what? 3 tenths, of course, because I'm dividing here a tenths number. Yes, in the book, yes. On page 215, it's in the book. So when we divide 120 over 4, the answer is 3/10. 3/10, that's mean what? That's mean 3 multiply 10 equals what? Equals 30. So I will use the same strategy that we used in multiplication. That's mean, girls, an easiest way without those steps. You can set that. Forget the 0 and divide 12, this 12, on 4. 12 divided 4, what is the number that I will multiply it with 4? It will be 12. The number is 3, so I will put 3 in the answer. And what about this 0? I will take the 0 and put it next to the number. This is the strategy. Very easy. What about if I have 1,000 number? I will use the same strategy. 1,200 divided 4. If I want to write this number 1,200 without those two zeros, it will be what? 1,200, it will be 12 what? 12 hundredths, right? 12 hundredths. If I want to divide 12 hundredths by 4, the same strategy. Okay, so I will divide the number without the zeros. Forget the zeros and divide the number. Now I have to think about multiplication table. What is the number that I will multiply it with 4? The answer will be 12. If you think about it, it will be 3, of course. 3 what? 3 hundredths. Right? 300. But 3 hundredths means 3 multiply 100. 3 multiply 100. If you multiply 3 with 100, what I have to do? I have to put 2 zeros next to the answer. So it will be what? 3 multiply 100. It will be 300. And in easiest way, you can forget the 2 zeros and divide 12 on 4. 12 divided 4 equals 3. And I have to put 2 zeros next to the answer. So the answer will be 300. This is the answer for division. Okay? So write those on page 215, please, if you finish type 1 in the chat, to start with another example. Okay, I think you finish or not? No? Okay, Duha, I will start. I will wait, sorry. Okay. Okay, did you finish, girls? Okay, girls, so please quickly write with me. Please, if you finish type 1 again. Okay, let's continue now with page 216. So I will erase only those up. Here I want to divide on example 1 and 2. divide 2800 on 7. Let's solve this example. So here I want to divide 2800 by 7. The basic fact that I will use it in the same way when we use it in multiplication. So I have to divide what? You know that you have to forget the zeros, and divide only the numbers. So that's mean I will divide 28 by 7, right? I will take only the 28. Okay, I will write it for you again. I will divide 28 by 7. This is the basic fact. Page 216 كده. Okay, the exercise number 1 on page 216. Share and show. Okay, so the basic fact is to divide the number on the whole number on 7. That's mean 2800 will be equal 28 what? 28 what? What's this digit? You remember that. What is this digit? This digit is 100. That's mean 28 what? Hundreds, right? So I will take the 28 hundreds and divided it on 7. That's mean 28 hundreds divided 7 equals what? What is the number that I will multiply it with 7? It will be 28. Who will tell me? What is the number? Okay, Lana. Open your mic, Lana, please.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, what's the number that I will multiply it with 7? It will be 28. Which number in multiplication table?
4.
Very good, Lana. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's correct. So 4 multiply 7 equals 28. That means the answer will be what? The answer will be 4 hundredths, of course. 4 hundredths. Because I'm dividing here a hundred number. That means 2800 divided 7 equals 4 hundredths. 4 hundredths means what? Means what? 4 multiply 100 equals what? 400. This is the answer. Okay, girls? So I have to divide 28 on 7 and put 2 zeros next to the answer. This is the strategy. Now, what about the next one, number 2? I want to divide 280 on 7 by 7. The same basic fact. I will use the same basic fact. That means I will take the 28 and divided it on 7. The answer will be what? The same answer was here. The same answer. That means the answer will be what? The answer will be 4. Okay? So when you divide 280, or if I want to write it as a tenth number, because what is this digit in the 8? 8 is, who will tell me on the chat? 8 is hundreds or tenths, girls? 8, very good then. It's tenths, right? That means it's 28 tenths. So I will divide 28 tenths. Thank you, girls. Very good. By what? By 4. So the answer, oh, sorry, by 7. I'm sorry. By 7. So the answer will be what? The answer will be 4 hundredths. right? Sorry, 4/10, I'm sorry. Because I am dividing here a tenth number. So the answer for the division will be also tenths. Okay? That's mean the final answer will be what? Girls, the final answer will be what? 40. Very good. Excellent. The final answer will be 40. Because 4/10 means 4 multiply 10 equals 40. This is the final answer. 28 divided 7 equals 4, and put 1 0 next to the answer. 1 0 next to the answer. So it will be 40. Also here, 28 divided 7 equals 4, and put 2 zeros next to the answer. Okay, girls? This is the strategy. If you finish, please type 1 in the chat. Okay, thank you so much. Now let's move to exercise number 3. Let's move to exercise number 3. Okay, who didn't finish? Okay, I will erase only this side, girls. I will erase only this side, and I will leave this one, okay? So now let's start with number 3. I want to divide here 360 by 6. Now let's find the answer. Who will help me? Let's see. Yes, Duha, open your mic. Yes. First thing, I want to divide 36 by 7. 36 divided 7 equals what? 36. What is the number? Not multiply, divide.
6, not 7.
Yes, again, please. The answer will be what? What is the number that I will multiply it with 6? It will be 36.
6.
Very good. Very good, Duha. And what I have to put next to the 6?
0.
Very good. So the answer will be what?
60.
Very good. Thank you so much, Duha. Stop typing on the chat, girls. Girls, stop typing on the chat. Stop typing on the chat. Okay. Now, 2000 divided 5. Let's see. Yes, Zen, open your mic. And let's divide 2000 by 5. Now, what I have to take to divide on 5? I will take what? I will take
20.
20. Very good. Excellent. So I will take 20. Okay? And divide 20 on 5. What's the number that I will multiply it with 5? The answer will be 20. Zain.
Yeah.
What's the number that I will multiply it with 5? The answer will be 20.
5 multiply 4.
Very good. 4. And what I have to put next to it?
2 zeros.
Very good. Excellent. I have to put 2 zeros, and you have to focus here. Just 2 zeros I will put next to the 4. It will be what?
400.
Excellent, Zen. So here I will not put here 3 zeros because there is 1 zero next to the 2. Make this 2 20. So we divide this 20 on 5. So the number of zeros left to or next to the 20, only 2 zeros. Now 4500 divided 9. Let's find the answer. wants to help me? Okay, let's choose. Raise your hands, please, if you want to answer. Raise your hands, girls. Okay. Okay. Yes, Kinda? Kinda, open your mic. Yes, now which number I will choose it to divide it by 9? Write your question, Lana.
We will choose number 45.
45 divided
Divide by 9 equal 500 because of the zeros.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Kinda. Thank you, dear. So 45 divided 9, what's the number that I will multiply it with 9? It will be 45. Of course, the number is 5. And I have to take those two zeros next to the 5. So it will be 500. Okay. What's your question, Lana? Write your question, please. Now, let's continue with, yes, Taline, open your mic and let's divide number 6.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Taline. Now, I want to find the quotient here. The quotient is the answer for division. 560 divided 8. What's the answer? Which number I will choose to divide it on 8?
16.
It will be
65.
again. I will choose 56. 56. Yes. And divide 56 by 8. What's the number that I will multiply it with 8? The answer will be 56.
70.
Very good, Taline. Excellent. Your answer is correct. Because 56 divided 8, the answer is 7. Because 7 multiply 8 equals 56. And I have to put 1 0 next to the answer. Okay, I'm sorry. You have to put only 1 0 next to the answer because you have only 1 0 here. So the answer will be 70. Now, number 7. Okay, yes. Yes, Rimas. Now I want to divide. Yes, dear. I want to divide 6,400 by 8. Which number I will choose, Rimas?
800.
Thank you, Rimas. You gave me the final answer. Thank you so much. So I will take 64 and divided it by 8. Thank you, my dear. Thank you, dear. Thank you. So 64 divided 8. What's the number that I will multiply it with 8? The answer will be 64. It's 8, of course. 8 multiply 8 equals 64. And I have to take those two zeros and put it next to the 8. So it will be 800. Number 8. Okay, I think Lana have a question. Teacher, if the number are 1000, will the results be hundreds? And if the number is hundreds, but I don't understand you actually. Okay, I will open the mic for you. Yes, Lana, again.
My question is if the number you want to divide with is 1000, will the number be hundreds?
Actually, yes, your answer is correct, or the question is the answer for the question is yes, because we are dividing here, girls. Look, when we divide 1,000 number, that means the number has here 3 digits, or not 3, sorry, 4 digits, okay? And we have to divide the number by 1 digit number because we are dividing now on 1 digit number. That's mean when we said we are dividing on one digit number. That's mean the answer or the number, the whole number here, or the thousand number, lose one digit. When we lose one digit from thousand, the number becomes 100. When we lose one digit from the 100, the number becomes tens. Okay? When we lose one digit from the tens, the number becomes what? Ones. Okay? So the number, when we divide any number, the number becomes smaller. Okay? Stop typing Sana on the chat, please, in Arabic, and focus. Focus on the lesson, please. Now we will divide number. We stopped on number 8, I think. 3,500 divided on 7. Okay. Let's see who didn't answer. I think yes, Aryam. Could you please help me to divide 3,500 by
Yes, teacher.
Yes, dear. Let's start now. What's the answer? Which number I will choose here? I will choose 35, right? This.
Yes.
35 divided 7 equals what?
What?
35 divided 7 equals what? What's the number that I will multiply it with 7? The answer will be 35.
500?
Excellent. Very good, Ariam. Thank you so much. That's mean if you multiply 5 with 7, the answer will be what? 35. So the answer for division here is 5, and I have to put 2 zeros next to the answer. That's mean the final answer is 500. Okay, girls? Now, if you finish, girls, please type 1 in the chat. Okay. If you don't finish, please type 0 because I want to move to the next exercise. No. Someone said no. Okay. So it's okay if I raise only the numbers here up. Okay. I will leave the numbers here down. Did you finish the numbers up here? Okay. Okay. Stop typing, please, now. And I will raise those numbers up only. Now, in this example, find the unknown number. Okay, find the unknown number. That's mean I will find the number or the divisor. Did you remember? Did you remember? We named the number that I want to divide it. This number, I will repeat it for you. This number, we name it what? $420. We named this number that I want to divide it. What we name it? Who will tell me? Who will remember? We name it No, Zen, no, Bisan. We name it dividend, right? Dividend. The number, the big number that I want to divide it, we name it dividend. The number that I will divide the dividend on it, we name it what? You remember? We name it what? Who will tell me? Very good. The first number is dividend and the second is divisor. Very good, Lana. This number, we name it what? Divisor. Very good. Divisor. The number, the small number that I want to divide the big number on it, we name it divisor. And the answer for the division, we name it what? The answer for the division is what? is quotient. Is quotient. So you have to save those names. The big number that I want to divide it, we name it dividend. The smaller number, the one-digit number that I want to divide the big number on it, we name it divisor. The answer for the division, we name it the quotient. So the unknown number here is the divisor. I want to know the divisor, what it is. So how I will know it? Look, the dividend is written here, written already, and the quotient also is written. That means the answer is written. So how I will know the divisor? I will look at the basic fact. I will look at the basic fact. That means I will think about the number that I will divide 42 on it. The answer or the quotient will be 6. What's the number that I will divide 42 on it? The answer or the quotient will be 6. Which number? That means which number I will multiply it with 6? The answer will be 42 from multiplication table. Which number I will... Very good, Lana, your answer is correct, and Bisan, your answer is correct. Very good. It's 7, because 7 multiplies 6 equals 42. That's mean if you want to know the divisor that I will divide 420 on it, the answer or the quotient will be 60. It's 7. So the unknown number, I will write it here, is 7. Okay, because look, divide 42 by 7 equals 6, and you have to put 1 0 next to the answer, so it will be 60. What about this one? Number 10. I want to know here the number or the what here, the dividend. The unknown number here, what is the dividend? The big number that I will divide it on 4, the answer or the quotient will be 30. Now, how I will know that? How I will know the dividend here? Look, I want to know the number that I will divide it by 4. The answer will be 3. What's the number that I will divide it by 4? The answer will be 3. That's mean, what's the answer for this multiplication? 3 with 4. 3 with 4. 3 multiply 4 equals what? Very good, Bisan. Your answer is correct. 3 multiply 4 equals 12. That's mean the answer here is what? Is 12. And I have to put what here next to the 12 to know the final answer? Very good, girls. Excellent. That's mean the answer or the dividend is 12. But you have here 0 next to the quotient. That's mean the dividend has also 0. That's mean if you divide 120 by 4, the answer will be 30. Let's see number 11. Number 11. Here the unknown number is what's the divisor here? Now, who will tell me what's the number that I will divide 81 on it? The answer will be 9, because here I will divide 81 on a number, so the quotient will be 9. What's the number that I will multiply it with 9? The answer will be 81. Thank you, girls. Your answer is correct. It's 9. I have to put 0 next to the 9 here? No, because the 0 is taken from the dividend, not from the divisor to the quotient. So the unknown number here is 9. Okay, girls? Any question? Any question, girls? Okay, I think we have 1 minute or 2 minutes in our session. So let us solve the first example in the homework. Of course, you have a homework, girls. So the homework on page 219 and from 2 to 10. So because we have only 2 minutes, let us do number. Did you finish those? Girls, did you finish those? Okay, so the first exercise, exercise 2 in the homework is what? Is 240. Open this page, of course. This is the page divided on 6. Will help me to find the answer or the quotient here. Let's choose yes, Bisan, open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, dear. Now to find the answer for this division, I have to divide what?
24
by 6. Very good. What's the answer for this division? What's the number that I will multiply it with 6? The answer will be 24 from multiplication table. Think about it quickly. It's 4 because 4 multiplies 6 equals 24. Okay, I have to put 1 0 next to the answer because I have 1 0 in the dividend. So the quotient will be what, Bisan? 40. Very good. Thank you, Bisan. So this is how I will divide, girls. Any question about our lesson? No. So thank you so much today for attending. You have a homework, of course, on page 219. Don't forget to do the homework and send it for me.